In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WooCommerce on Bluehost. If you're planning to start your own online store, then WooCommerce is a fantastic plugin that integrates seamlessly with WordPress, providing a strong e-commerce platform to showcase and sell your products. We'll walk through this process step by step, so whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, you'll find this guide helpful. First and foremost, before we dive into WooCommerce, it's essential to ensure that WordPress is up and running on your Bluehost site. This is quite simple thanks to Bluehost's convenient one-click setup feature. So, let's start here. Begin by logging into your Bluehost dashboard. Once you're in, look on the left-hand side of the screen and navigate to the My Sites section. Here, you will see an option to add a site. Click on Add Site and then choose Create New Site. You will be prompted to enter some basic information, such as your site name, admin credentials, and domain details. Simply fill these out with your desired information. After completing these details, Bluehost will automatically deploy WordPress for you. This automation is incredibly helpful for those new to web hosting, as it takes the guesswork out of setting things up. Once WordPress is successfully installed, we can move on to the heart of our tutorial, installing the WooCommerce plugin itself. To do this, you'll need to access the WordPress admin dashboard. If you've set up WordPress following the previous steps, you should have no problem accessing this dashboard through your Bluehost account. In the WordPress admin area, direct your attention to the menu on the left and find the Plugins section. Click on it, and then select Add New from the drop-down options. This is where we will find the WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce is a widely used tool, so typing WooCommerce into the search bar should bring it up quickly. As you locate it, click on the Install Now button. Installation will begin immediately, and once it's complete, ensure you click Activate to get the plugin up and running. Activation is crucial as it's what makes WooCommerce functional on your site. This process integrates valuable e-commerce features directly into your WordPress environment. Now, with WooCommerce active, you've taken a big leap towards creating a thriving online store. Remember, this installation is just the beginning of your e-commerce journey. After this, you'll want to explore the settings and customize your store to suit your brand's needs. WooCommerce offers a robust platform that can adapt and grow alongside your business, making it an excellent choice for entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the installation process clear and accessible. Feel free to share this video with anyone who might also benefit from knowing how to install WooCommerce on Bluehost.